Here I have AMG MS6, and let me show you how to reset mobile network, so how to troubleshoot and reset internet on this car. So at the very beginning, let me maybe start from the beginning, from the home screen. Here you need to swipe to the left to see the settings icon. The settings icon is located right here in the down right corner. And now all you need to do is use the left menu to scroll down and to select here the hotspot. So here in hotspot you need to use the last option, which is the reset mobile network. So if your car's internet connection is dropping out, lagging, or refusing to connect to the built-in 4G network, tapping the reset button acts as quick troubleshooter. It forces the car's internal modem to reboot, clear communication errors, and perform a fresh search for nearby cellular towers to fix the internet bugs. So if you would like to do this, you can just tap reset, and let me do it again. Alright, confirm the operation by tapping reset again, and the car should reset mobile network. Alright, operation is completed, so everything went well. You just restore network configuration. So that's it, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.